Hey, I'm Tomer and I'm the product manager for Apliqo UX at Apliqo. On this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a table pop-up on any planning or analytical template in Apliqo UX. Let me show you how to do it. The toolbar and table pop-ups, combined with the ability to execute TIs, allows creation of advanced planning templates and makes planning in Apliqo UX faster than ever. Let's have a look at a few examples. A critical planning functionality is the ability to run a TI like creating or deleting a new product. Using the Add Product toolbar pop-up, which eventually will be executing a dedicated TI to create an element on the product dimension. Let's quickly compare the parameter sections in the UX and directly in Architect for the TI we're about to run. So we have 5 parameters configured for that TI. The first 2 are for administration purposes only and were completely hidden from the front end. The next one is the P target parent, which was converted to a drop-down to select only the available product categories. And the next 2 are just a free text to put the product number and the product description. In the front end, we can even have an information messages, what the user should actually do before clicking on the button. And we can even control extreme cases like what happens when I'm going to try to add a product which already exists. In this case, I'm going to get a notification message telling me that I need to make sure the product doesn't exist already. Let's open the pop-up once more and this time create a product that doesn't exist. I'm going to create it under the cleaners product subcategory and give it a product description, new cleaners. I'm going to click on the add button and I get a notification that the product was successfully created. If I now close the pop-up and unsuppress the template, I can immediately see that under cleaners we get the new product created and we can immediately now start planning the figures for the sales for the new product. Another example would be to use the TI directly from a table pop-up. So I can click on the trash icon next to the product line I just created. I would get a pop-up that will give me a warning message asking me if I'm sure I want to delete the product, letting me know all the data against this product will be lost, also letting me know which product will be deleted, and by clicking on the delete message, the product will now be deleted, and if I refresh the template, the product will be completely gone. Often when planning, you need to get more information than just display on the screen to get the right decision. So by clicking on the magnify glass, it will open a pop-up that would give me a different perspective at the current product we're planning at. So I can get a table that would show me not only the sales amount, but also the unit price, and I can go and change the figures on the fly. And I can also get a chart that would give me historical phasing plus the current year phasing with references both for the sales amount in terms of columns and the unit price in a spine line using different y-axes for scaling purposes. I can simply close the pop-up by clicking anywhere outside of the window. And if I open the magnify glass for a consolidated cell like helmets, I would get the same pop-up, but this time the cells are read-only and not open for input. Let's have a look at the last example, which would be the P&L summary from the toolbar pop-up. that will show us a completely different perspective from a different cube source on the P&L status.
And that's how you create a table pop-up on any planning and analytical template in Apliqo UX.
Follow the links for more Apliqo UX videos. If you enjoyed what you saw, tell us what you think in the comments box below and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out our newest content. Thanks and see you on the next one.